In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatically backing up files to OneDrive in Windows. This is going to be an easy and straightforward process, taking just a few minutes of your time. Our journey toward managing your backup preferences begins at the bottom right corner of your screen, within the Windows taskbar. Here, you'll notice a cloud icon. This represents the OneDrive application, your gateway to managing your cloud storage settings. Clicking on this icon will open up the OneDrive panel, a handy interface providing you access to a variety of options related to your account and recent activity. Once the panel is open, locate the gear icon. This icon is your key to the settings menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you various configuration choices. Among the options in this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This step will take you to the main settings window for OneDrive. Inside the settings window, direct your attention to the tab labeled Sync and Backup. This tab is prominently placed at the top, acting as a hub for everything related to file synchronization, and backup process is a crucial area for managing which files and folders are uploaded to the cloud. Within the Sync and Backup tab, you'll discover a button labeled Manage Backup. By clicking on this button, you will open a deeper layer of settings, allowing you greater control over what specifically gets backed up to OneDrive. Now, you're at the point where you can disable the backup feature for the folders of your choice. You'll be presented with a list of folders currently set to backup. If there are any folders that you no longer wish to automatically back up to OneDrive, simply unselect them. This simple act ensures that the contents within these unselected folders will no longer sync to your OneDrive storage. To make sure these changes are saved, you'll need to click Stop Backup. This option might prompt a confirmation message, ensuring you're aware and comfortable with halting the cloud backup process for these selected directories. Once you've confirmed, these folders will be excluded from synchronization, residing solely on your local machine until you decide otherwise. And just like that, you've successfully prevented OneDrive from automatically backing up your files. This simple action gives you more control over your storage usage and file privacy. By manually managing your backups, you can ensure that only the necessary files are uploaded to the cloud, maintaining an organized and efficient data system the way you like it. This concludes our guide, and with that, you're all set to manage your OneDrive settings with confidence.